Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got my large snowflake mould out today. We're going to be playing with alcohol inks. I'm just going to put the ink straight into the mould, pour resin on, and then we see what happens with the overall result. I'm sticking with 4 different colours today. So I've got dark red, dark green, deep white, and silver. So I'm just going to start dotting them in. No particular rhyme or reason where I'm dropping stuff. Just random. That's my dark red done. Let's go with my dark green. Need to cut the tip off, 1 second. Okay, my silver. And then finally my white. Right, a lot of the colours escaped the edges, but hopefully that moves when we pour resin in. I'm sure it will. Okay. Some resin ready to go. I am just going to pour, I think from the centre out. So I'm going to pour it straight over the centre. And just let it make its way. There we go. Super cool. I love the effect that this gives as the different inks react. So cool. Love the way that the silver's really wispy. Love it. Looks great. Yeah, it's nice and evenly filled as well, which is perfect. Right, I'll see you when it's ready to demold. Okay, it's been a couple of days, everything's nice and set, it's time to demold. We can see things moved around a little bit as the resin was setting up. We've got beautiful colours here, love the way the silver moves through. We've got greens, different shades. It looks really, really cool. I'm really happy. I have to see if I can break the middle out. I can. Fabulous. Right, let's get you out the mould. Mould's nice and clean, just got a little bit of overpour. That was actually some alcohol ink because it's on my finger now, but never mind. Great. Are we ready? Wow, completely different. So the silver's all sunk. Well, it was at the bottom anyway, but the silver's stayed at the bottom. You can sort of see the other colours have floated. That's really interesting. I love that though, that's super cool. It looks like it's frosty on like a snowy morning. How cool is that? Oh, I'm really happy. That's going to look so cool on the tree. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.